G20 Chevy van. Me and my two boys, my other one at school, they go Taterbug, aka Twin, aka Martavis Michael Moore. It looks like he's loving the van. What about you, Kyrie? Kyrie. Well, it looks like he's having a good time too, driving, thinking he's driving. Well, this is the inside of the coach. Pretty nice. Can't wait to go on some trips. Hopefully soon, maybe this weekend. I just got it last night. Overall, got the seats. I just can't wait to enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching the inside of my G20 dash. The air works real good. As you can see, all oak, the original oak table, 4 cup holders for trips. What is this right here? Cigarette lighter. It does work. I don't smoke, but it does work. My son's having a good time. I think he's driving. That's my 1987 Chevy G20 van. I love it. Brown is my favorite color. Radio up top. Got the heated controls. Old Kenwood tape deck. That's about it. Pretty clean. Like I said, can't wait to enjoy it. Thanks. Don't forget to hit a like, subscribe, and share.